Welcome to math. We today are going to actually do part 2, or part B I should say, of the Count Dots sprint that we started the last time we met. It can be found on page 141 in your Starry Night book. The Starry Night says right here, fluency. Over here it says practice, the little yellow trim. The number is yellow. It says 14 tenths and 1 1. Those digits are 1 4 1. So go ahead and get yourself set up. It looks like this. Again, the directions read to write the number of dots. Try to find ways to group the dots to make counting easier. So we are going to, as always, do our best. Everyone's best is not the same. Your personal best is what I expect from you. I'm pulling up the clock right now, which I hope does its best. Let's see. Wait for the go. Hold on. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Ooh, we got a tiny bell that time, but we definitely still have the times up prominently displayed on the board, which means stop. Stop. Don't answer any more questions. Let's go ahead and check our work. Come on. Alright, so let's get to checking this sprint. Number 1 is 1, and 2 is 2, and 3 is 1. 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5, 7, 6. Top of count 2, question number 16. There are 8 dots in this picture. 9, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 7, 8, 10, 9. Now notice this section here, it get a little bit tricky. You gotta actually count them. 9. 9. But it just reaffirms for us why these nice, neat, organized pictures are so helpful and so useful. I think I got them all right. Go ahead and check me check me please. I may have got one wrong. Let me know. But guys, let's go on to the next part of our lesson. Come on. Great job on the sprint. We are now ready to go on to the next step, which is our application problem, which is on page number 91, so 910-1 in your blue trimmed learn book, the flower beds. Ooh, it is Flower Beds in Holland, 1883. That's when that was made. It reads, 15 students ordered pizza for lunch. 7 students brought their lunch from home. How many fewer students brought their lunch from home than ordered lunch? All right, now notice, guys, we want to know fewer than. fewer than, how many fewer students brought their lunch from home than ordered lunch. We're not putting the home lunch and the pizza children together. We're comparing. We want to compare the amount that each of them, the size of each group, compare the size of the groups. But guys, I'm going to read it one more time, and then you're going to work on it, okay? 15 students ordered pizza for lunch. 7 students brought their lunch from home. How many fewer students brought their lunch from home than ordered lunch? Find out. Okay. So, we see here that we knew the amount of pizza ordered. We knew the amount of children that brought theirs from home. What we're trying to find out is this space right here. What is the difference between these two groups? And in finding the difference, we are subtracting, taking away, removing from the pot. And we found that there were 8 fewer students who brought lunch from home. That actually sounds about a pretty big group of children bringing their lunch from home. Me personally, if my school had free lunch, I would have got lunch at school every day. We didn't have that when I was growing up. But it's okay. It's okay. I don't feel the type of way about it. I'll let that go. It's been a while. Alright guys, so today we are going to continue with literally what we've been doing for like week and a half now. We are going to be adding within 100, stacking our pictures, stacking our number sentences. So we're stacking again. So, yep, 10s and 1s, line them up, add the 1s, see if we make a group of 10, move it on over to the 10s place. See, look, see a little arrow. Move it on over and put everything together. See, 9 and 6 is 15. So 15, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6. The pictures match the numbers. So on page 243, 24 10s and 3 1s, 2, 4, 3. In your Succeed book, we are ready to begin. Okay, so the first one reads 39 plus 45 is equal to, so we're going to draw each part. Within each part, there are 2 pieces, 10s and 1s. We line up the 10s, we line up the 1s, we put it all together because we are adding. We put it all together because we are adding. So, let's draw 39. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These 2 pieces make my first part, 39. I am now ready to draw my second part, 45. So, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this time we're going to count them, and as soon as we create a group of 10, let me know. Let me know we made a group of 10, okay? Ready? We're going to count by ones this time. We're going to count all. We're going to count all just to make sure that we're all on the same page, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Explain to me what happened. What was that note? What was that? Why did that happen? Because 14 ones is 10 4. We've found an additional group of 10. So when we add everything together, we will first count how many loose ones there are left, and there were 4 of them. We will then count and put up together all the 10s. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10. shape denotes, shows, communicates to us the symbol to represent a group of 10. Circling, bundling, grouping together, that is reserved for groups of 10. And there are, in fact, 8 of them. There are 8 groups of 10. So now let's write this same number sentence. Yes, now write. Draw, write, write. Draw pictures, write numbers. Write a number sentence. A stacked vertical number sentence. We're going from top to bottom. So at the top, we're going to write this first part, 3 10s and 9 1s. We know we added 4 10s and 5 1s. When we brought them together, we found 9 1s plus 5 1s to be equal to 14. 14 is 10 4. 14 is 10 4. So that group of 10 needs to join the groups of 10. 3 10s plus 4 10 plus 1 10. Well, 3 10s and 4 10s and 1 10. How many 10s is that? 8 10s. It is 8 10s. And we see 39 plus 45 is equal to 84. Changing the shape did not change the solution. Changing the shape does not change the solution. It just, we're moving into vertical because you're going to need to know how to do vertical. You're going to need to know how to stack it because your number's going to get bigger. You're going to, see, the thing of it is, as you continue getting more place values, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, you're going to be able to line them up to work within them. Going across like this, horizontal, is fine when you're doing 2-digit numbers, but once you get into 3- and 4-digit numbers, there is certain advantages. There's good things involved with knowing how to do it up and down, vertical, stacked, standard algorithm, depending on who you're talking to, the regular way. Ooh, we're getting close. All right, let's go ahead and draw our second problem. Our problem reads 64 plus 28. That is our problem. That is our number sentence. We need to solve the problem, find the answer, fill in the blank, figure out what is balanced with 64 plus 28. So let's first draw the picture. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10. 1 2 3 4. That's it. That's 6 10s and 4 1s. 64. Now let's draw 1 10, 2 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Notice I left this space here because that's 10s. This is 1s. I want to be able to group them as such. Okay, now we're looking here and we see we're counting. If I'm going to just go from top to bottom, I've got 4. So we're not going to count all, we're going to count on, starting at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 1s in this problem. There are 12 1s, meaning there's actually 2 1s and a group of 10. Let's count all the 10s now, because there was 12 1s. 12 1 is 12 1s. 12 is 10 2. So there's my group of 10. How about it, 10s? Go on over there. You all grown up now. Go on. It's kind of like, yeah, going from 5th grade to middle school. All right, now go. You 2 whole hands now. You ready? You're ready now. Go on to the next thing. It's what you're supposed to do. 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10s. There are 9 10s. 9 10s. So 92. 9 10s, 2 1s. Now, let's stack them up. You have room here. You have the same margin I do. 6 10s and 4 1s. 2 10s and 8 1s. 8 1s plus 4 1s we found out was 12. So that means 2 1s and 1 10. Now we'll put all of our 10s together. 6 10s plus 2 10 plus 1 10, still 9 tens. So 64 plus 28 is equal to 92. 92. 92. Now, let's continue. This time we're going to write and draw and show it as a stacked number sentence. 47 plus 38. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 10, 2 10, 3 10, 3 10 1, 3 10 2, 3 10 3, 3 10 4, 3 10 5, 3 10 6, 3 10 7, 3 10 8. Have I successfully and accurately drawn both parts of this number sentence? Yes, I've drawn all the tens, I've drawn all the ones, I have both parts depicted as tens and ones, but the pieces are still next to each other because this is a part and this is a part. Now we are ready to add. Let's count the ones first. You know, check to see if we made a group of 10 because that seems to be a pattern. We're going to again count on starting at 7 because we know there were 7 ones here in the first part. So 7, 8, 9, 10, just exaggerate it because it's bundling. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 ones. When I add 7 ones and 8 ones, I find 15 ones. 15 ones is really a group of 10 and 5 ones because every time we get a chance to bundle, we do it. Bundle, bundle. Bundling groups of 10, that's kind of our thing, which means there are still 5 ones present, but we can now count the 10s. So 4 10s, now we're going to start counting off from the 10s. 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, that's where these go. These become a group of 10. We can't just leave them all over the place. It's 8 10s. Now let's take the same numbers, inside the same picture, and put the same energy into a number sentence that is vertical, a vertical number sentence. So 4 10s, 7 1s, 3 10s, 8 1s, we're adding them together. 8 1s plus 7 1s is 15 1s. 15 1s means I have introduced another group of 10. 4 10s plus 3 10s plus 1 10, 8 10s, meaning be it picture or vertical or horizontal, 47 plus 38 is equal to 85. That stays the same no matter what. It stays the same no matter what. Okay. Now we have 53 plus 27. 53 plus 27. Okay, well, yeah, we'll do what we've been doing. Draw a picture. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10. 1, 2, 3. These are the pieces of this part. 5 10s and 3 1s. Do the same thing with 27. 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. 3 1s, 7 1s. 7 1s, 3 1s. Let's make sure. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. So when I did it this time, wait a minute, pause. My 1s created a group of 10, but were there any left over? No, there are none left over. So what do we put to show none? That there aren't any. What number represents that there are not any, that there's nothing in the ones place? 0. We write 0 because if I just write 5, 6, 7, 8, if I just write 8 by itself, then that's just 8. That's not 8 tens. 8 tens has the value of 80, which then requires a 0 in the ones place. Let's go ahead and write this. Stacked 5 tens and 3 ones plus 2 tens and 7 ones. Well, we found that 7 ones and 3 ones was equal to 10. That equals to 10. One complete group of 10, which means all of them are going to the tens place. All of them are now in the tens place, which means 5 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 ten is 8 tens, which has the value of 80, which means 53 plus 27 is equal to 80. The pictures match. The stacked vertical number sentence match. The horizontal standard number sentence. It all goes together. It all goes together. Crazy idea, right? I know. All right, so now that we've practiced once more, let's go ahead and move into your independent work. I'm going to show you what it is you're going to do on your own. You ready? Kind of. It's okay. That's part of the reason we're drawing pictures. We're doing pictures, okay? All pictures this week. All pictures. Well, not. All pictures for now. Yes. So, page 93, your problem sets. Yes, same rules, same thing we just did. Goals, you finish the front. That's the minimum. That's the minimum expectation within your 10-minute time frame that you finish the front. Above and beyond, front and back. You want to do your best. You want to work hard. You want to use these pictures, these stacked pictures, tens on top of tens, ones on top of ones, to add the parts together to solve, to find the whole. We are adding within 100. If you get anything more than 100, something went wrong. Something somewhere went wrong if your answer is more than 100. New thing. Okay, but that is on page 93, so 9 tens and 3 ones. 9 tens and 3 ones in your Learn book. Your Learn book, the flower beds. Ooh and ah, it's so beautiful. And after you're done with that, you're going to complete, there's 4 of them. There's 4 problems. You're going to complete and send me a picture of your exit ticket. Remember to line up your drawings and rewrite the number sentence vertically. Vertically, up and down, stacked on top of each other. Tens on top of tens, ones on top of ones. Yes. But guys, that's all I have for you. I can't wait to see you guys later. And until next time, bye.